FinoSafe, your go-to channel for all things finance, cryptocurrency, and NFTs. Today, we're going to be discussing how to invest in cryptocurrency for beginners in the UK. First and foremost, it's important to understand what cryptocurrency is and how it works. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and operates independently of a central bank. Bitcoin is one of the most well-known examples of cryptocurrency. Before investing in cryptocurrency, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Cryptocurrency can be highly volatile and its value can fluctuate rapidly. It's important to understand that investing in cryptocurrency is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's important to only invest what you can afford to lose. Next, you'll need to set up a cryptocurrency wallet. A cryptocurrency wallet is an electronic wallet that allows you to store, send and receive digital currency. There are different types of wallets available, including hardware wallets, software wallets and web wallets. It's important to choose a reputable and secure wallet provider. Once you have your wallet set up, you'll need to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. A cryptocurrency exchange is a platform that allows you to buy, sell and trade digital currency. There are many different exchanges available in the UK, such as Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. It's important to choose an exchange that is regulated and has a good reputation. Now that you have your wallet and exchange set up, you can start buying and selling cryptocurrency. It's important to keep an eye on market trends and to diversify your portfolio by investing in a variety of different cryptocurrencies. Lastly, it's important to keep your cryptocurrency safe and secure. This means keeping your private keys private and not sharing them with anyone. It's also a good idea to regularly update your software and use two-factor authentication. Conclusion: investing in cryptocurrency can be a great way to diversify your portfolio, but it's important to do your research, understand the risks, and invest only what you can afford to lose. We hope this video has provided you with a good starting point for investing in cryptocurrency in the UK. Remember to subscribe to our FinoSafe channel for more financial, cryptocurrency and NFTs related content. As always, please remember to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to FinoSafe channel.